The High Court has ruled against social media commentator Mikhail Rodrigues, well known as Guyanese Critic, upholding a $52 million defamation judgment in favor of businessmen Nazar and Azruddin Mohammed. This comes some 8 months after the court on July 14, 2024, granted a default judgment to Nazar and Azruddin Mohammed against the Guyanese Critic and Daybreak News Incorporated. They received a judgment in the sum of approximately 52 million Guyana dollars and several injunctions preventing further defamation. The Guyanese Critic and Daybreak News Incorporated appealed against this judgment and lost on Monday, March 31, 2025. The decision was handed down by Justice Nigel Niles, who also reaffirmed an injunction barring Rodrigues and his media entity Daybreak News Incorporated from making further defamatory statements against the Mohammeds. Rodrigues had planned to overturn both the financial judgment and the injunction, but the court dismissed his applications. To make matters worse, Rodrigues was ordered to pay the sum of $75,000 each to Nazar Mohammed and Azruddin Mohammed for the loss of this appeal. Opining on the Rodrigues application to set aside default judgment granted against him and Daybreak News Incorporated, the judge said the explanation given by the applicants, Rodrigues and Daybreak News Incorporated, are woefully inadequate, and the applicants have failed to satisfy this court that the explanation given was reasonable. Rodrigues made a series of statements about the Mohammeds on his social media platform in February and March 2024. The Mohammeds successfully argued that the statements were false, damaging, and deliberately aimed at tarnishing their reputations. Reporting for the Headline News, I am Ruth Pendleton.